Welcome to Celebrity Silhouette's room tour of Deck 6, Room 121. Welcome to our veranda room. We have our bed set up as a king-size bed, but this bed can be 2 twin-size beds. There is storage up above the bed area. Each side does have its own bed light, and there is a little small end table. There is 3 drawers. They are fairly large here. This, behind this door, is a full-size safe, and this has a refrigerator, which it is stocked. There's also a drawer in the desk area, and it does have 2 American outlets and 1 European. There is a couch area with a little little table that comes with this, and then this is the closet space. It does have 2 poles for hanging. There is a full-size mirror here, and what we really like on Celebrity is the bathrooms. This bathroom has a large capsule. It also has the nice shaving bar, but it also comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and that is a given on any room here. There is storage in the bathroom area, which is nice to have. And of course, always the highlight on a veranda room is the veranda. So let's go check it out. Now we are on the port side in the front of the ship. The good thing about this veranda is it actually is not over top of the lifeboat. So you will see directly out onto the water when you're not in the port. But it does bump out, so you can't be out here in your skivvies because your neighbors are going to see you. Thank you for coming along on our room tour of Celebrity Silhouette, room 6121.